TSS Safety Net Fans Assembly. Overview. Required tools for assembly: spanners, ratchet spanners, hammer, cutter, measuring tape, marker pen. Step 1. Place the assembly stools at the indicated distance from each other. Step 2. Place the TSS Safety Net Fan body within the upper housing section of the assembly stool. Step 3. Insert and connect extension leg to TSS Safety Net Fan body using M12 by 90 bolt and nut. Adjust as necessary to suit floor-to-floor height of building. Step 4. Place diagonal tube in lower section of assembly stool and connect to TSS Safety Net Fan body using M12 by 90 bolt and nut. Step 5. Connect 48 by 60 double couplers to diagonal tube at 50 mm from tube end. Step 6. Position wind lock and connect to diagonal tube. Note direction of wind lock and note dimension from end of diagonal tube. Step 7. Place outer horizontal tube in 48 by 60 double couplers on both sides at correct distance from the ends and fully tighten the coupler. Step 8. Place and connect adjustable coupler at correct distance from end of inner horizontal tube. Step 9. Insert slab attachments into adjustable couplers on both sides and offer into the top of the TSS Safety Net Fan body. Step 10. Tie the lifting sling around double coupler. Ensure it is secure for lifting by crane. TSS, working at height specialists. TSS Traceability Stamp. TSS Net Specification Tag Record. TSS Test Tags. TSS Lifting Sling Label Specification. TSS Safe Working Solutions. www.tss-me.com